So in this project, it's all about data cleaning, how you can create the measures, how you can create the pivot table, how you can create the chart format. Okay, so completely dashboard, basically it is a completely dynamic, which should be completely dynamic and interactive as well. So whenever anybody sees the dashboard, so he can able to relate that to also stuffs. Okay.
Yes.
So motive of this particular project is framing, like after motive of this project, you will be understanding how you can frame a problem statement. Okay, how you can come up with an objective. Okay, then this project is just a sample project to get you understand like how in an Excel how the project works, how the project end to end works, right? So this project is to analyze retail sales data to gain actionable insights that will enhance the performance of the sales. So this is an objective. So what are the recommended analysis we'll be gonna do it? How this sales valid, like sales vary by the week, day and hour of the day. Okay. Are there any peak time? What are the total sales revenue of the growth? Okay. How do sales vary across the different locations?
Yes.
So what is the average price per person? So what products are best selling in terms of quantity and revenue? Then how do sales vary by the category and type? These are the questions you will be having, right? Recommended analysis will be good too. So when it comes to data set, right? So we have to set up the project. So first we will be going to recap it once again. Okay, so you can just
sure. I go through again. Just give me a second. I will open my Excel from my side and share the screen.
If you have any doubts, okay, we can discuss with it. The same recap will be cleared out.
Sure.
Open a data set.
Sure. Let me share the screen first.
Okay. Share your screen.
Is it?
Just a minute.
We'll go through the same process again.
So you need to for opening a data set in Excel, first you have to open an Excel in blank workbook. Okay.
Yes.
Step 1. You have to select a file. So what you have to do? You have to go to the data tab. Go to data tab. Go to get data from file. Then from Excel workbook. So if you select that, the window will appear. Select the location where the data set you have stored. Select that file. Select the dataset file, XLSX file, then it will open and connect. Okay, it will open in Navigator. Then step number 4, we have to transform this particular data. Just select that data set, then transform data. Just select it. See the data how it is.
So we are checking each data. Here we have transaction ID, transaction date, and transaction time, transaction quality, store ID, store locations.
Just
coming to the
of explaining about transforming the data. Just explain what are the categories they have, like what are the things they have, how we can do that.
First, this is a Power Query editor where we can identify data, how the data is. So this is the data, transaction ID, transaction dates, what of the coffee shop, and this is the transaction quantity, how many they are buying, at the what's store ID and store locations. These are the different store locations also we see here. So in there are three store locations for this coffee shop, and the product we have product ID, unit price, and product category. And lastly, we also have product details.
Okay. Okay. All right. So in the product details, what you can observe here? What are the key things that you feel that this is
Yeah.
a major thing that we have to do the data cleaning step, or what are the things that we have to understand from this column product detail?
Yeah. Yes. When I open in the filter product of this, so I'm seeing lot of LG, RG, SM.
Okay.
So I didn't get it. So lastly I find out that this LG for large, RG for regular, SM for small. These are the quantity of the coffee names they're providing. So for this, we can add another column and mention under the sizes of the coffees.
Okay. According to my understanding, what I can understand here is, so anyone watches this particular video, so in product detail column, there
Yes.
will be different things, correct? So in product detail,
Yes.
it related to the product only. That it will be not related to the
Yes.
size. So we
Yes.
separate a column where
Mm.
it identifies which particular size it is.
Yeah.
Let's say Ethiopia, which kind of a quantity it is, like regular, large,
Yeah.
medium, small, or something like that. So if
Yes.
you have gone to any of the pizza shop, right, so they will be asking about what is the size that you
Yeah.
will be preferring. You want
Yes.
large, extra large, or medium, or small.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes. Exactly. Yes. Correct.
So same way here as well. Okay.
Yeah.
So for that, what you need to do, you need to remove LG, RG, and SM, right?
Yes.
For that, what you will be going to do?
For this, I go to remove.
No. You don't have to remove the column. You have to go to the add column.
Yes.
Go to add
Yes.
column.
Select on conditional column. So for this, I am naming
As size.
So here, from using these statements, we want to select the column name. So what is the column name? These product details.
Yes. Then operator.
And operator means what it contains. And value is like LG.
Okay. For that,
Output should be large.
okay, value inside the cell.
Yeah. Yes.
So what's an output? I am trying to explain once again. Okay. So here what happens basically in product detail column. Detail column, there are LG, RG, SM or something. Correct?
Yes. Yes. Correct.
So
Yes.
if the LG encounters, we have to replace it with the value of large.
Yes. Exactly.
Yes. So same way we have to do for RG and SM.
Yes. So we go to same process, selecting same contents, and there are another two more things we can add. RG.
Yes.
And we can name it as regular. When we encounter the RG, we get a regular in the column.
Yes. So it creates a separate column. The values will be get filled with the large, regular or small.
And lastly, we also have SM. For the SM, we are naming it as small. There are another names here in the product details, rows in the product details, which doesn't have RG, LM, SM. So for that, we are naming as not defined. Okay. Now I'm
So their sizes are not defined. So that's why we are telling that it is not defined. Sizes are not defined in a data set. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
So right, you have to just click on OK. So you'll be able to see it has been created a new column called size, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
this has been done now. So once back, we have to go back to the product detail, check the length of the value which contains in product detail. Check the length.
Yeah. Yes.
We have to
For this, we go to the extract and click on here length. So this is the length we are getting. RG. So before doing here, I want to remove. We already have the regular all those things. We want to remove the RG and LG. These names added to the coffee names for the broad details. So for this, what we can do is now go to the form and replace clicking on replace values and typing the things we want to remove with a blank.
Okay.
RG blank. I'm hitting OK.
LG. Okay. LG removed. We removed.
Yes. Here we see the LG is not removed still.
You selected wrong column.
Yes. That's why it's by selecting this column, replacing. Now we can get LG. Okay. Now LG is removed. Same way we do with remaining two names and RG. Okay. Blank. And lastly
SM
with SM.
Okay.
Yeah. Now it's okay.
So now
So now
check with the length.
Yes.
Remove for not don't remove. Okay, fine.
Okay. For fresh start, I'm selecting again.
Add column, extract.
Add column, extract. Length.
See now.
Yes. Yeah.
It is the same, or it is taking any blank spaces there. Check it.
I think it's not telling correct information here.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 now. Why it is showing 7?
Yeah. I want to refresh it.
I don't know, like your Excel sheet is making mischief or how's it? Let me share my screen. Okay.
Sure. I will check from my side also. You can share Akash now from here. You can take over from here.
Okay, sure. So let me repeat once again now. Okay. Let us repeat the steps.
Yeah, sure.
So first of all, I will repeat the steps. First, we have to setting the project. First, everybody listen to this. So what we have to do is, first we need to type here Excel. Very basic. Just be getting this particular Excel app. So you have to click on this.
Yeah. Yes.
Make sure that you use up to 2019 version of Excel because it is giving like lot of good things. Okay. So you will be getting this. You will be appearing this blank workbook. All right. So what you need to do here is you need to go to the data tab. Go to data tab. You will be able to see first option, get and transform data in that particular section. Get data. There are couple of options over here. Will not go now. So go to the from file, from workbook. Select this. So now window pop-up will appear for your selecting the data set. So I have in desktop. So I will be selecting particular folder which you have created for this particularly. So I have named project 0 datasets, coffee shop sales, import it. So it will be happening in the navigator now.
Yes.
Alright. So after that, you need to transform this particular data. Right? So you have to select particular data set over here. So you need to view here. So is the data is perfectly which data set you were selecting? Is that the same data or not? Then you need to transform the data. Why you need to transform the data? Why? Because you need to perform certain quality checks like data cleaning stuffs. Is the format is perfect or not? You need to check the extracting the length, whether it is a length is perfectly fine or not. So that are the things that we need to do. After that, we will be loading this particular data set. Correct? So for that, we'll try to transform this particular data. It will open in a Power Query editor, just like a Power BI. Okay.
Yes.
So we will just try to do right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All right then. So just let's try to do this now. Okay.
You can hit the refresh now, Akash.
No. Otherwise, what happens? No, the same thing will appear here. Values. We don't want that.
Okay. Maybe I think I refresh that. That's why reason the data is showing like that from my side.
Yeah. Maybe that case. Okay. So first of all, what you are noticing here. So let's say in this particular data set, there is a transaction ID where each person do the transaction, then particular ID will be appearing. So last 2 digits we are just naming them. Okay. Transaction date, where at what date the transaction particularly happened. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a transaction date. Then transaction time, at what time it had happened. So if you observe clearly, we should have only the timings. We should not have this particular date, right? We have already have a date, but why the transaction time is showing like this, right? So we don't want that to happen. Okay.
Yes.
And understand transaction quantity, store ID, which store, store location, product ID, unit price, product category, then product type, then product detail. Correct? So one thing if you observe in our product detail, we need to do, we have to separate it out. We have to separate the column with the size and the product detail. Correct? So for that, what we are doing, we are just going to the add column.
Yes, and selecting the conditional column.
Just a minute. Add column, conditional column.
Yes.
Then here we are just mentioning the column name here, which we are creating the separate column, right? So what we'll just name it size. Here we will be going to select the column name.
Yes.
What it contains? It contains LG.
LG as large.
Okay. So add a clause. Product detail. Add clause. I was just writing product detail simultaneously. Why? Because we already done, right?
Yes.
Contains.
We can process quick.
Okay. So this is RG. This is SL. You are understanding, right?
Yes. 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 Now it's correct. Yeah. Regular.
And small. Then here not defined. If anything, nothing is, if the value is not defined, so it should replace it with the not defined values. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If you just select OK, if you just notice the new column got added here, it's okay. So it's like lot of performing automatically, right? Like whatever we have to just couple of options we need to do. If you just observe here what it is doing, it is not. Are you not feeling like it is a query? It is generating in a backend process.
Yes.
We are just doing add column here. It is hitting one particular query here, right?
Yeah.
Change type says
It's
each if text dot contains product detail arch lg certain like okay.
yes.
Alright. So now this is done now. So next step we need to replace this, right? Replace this value lg rg or whatever values are there.
Yes.
We need to select this particular product detail. We need to transform. We need to replace values. This particular thing will be coming. So we'll just try to find rg. We'll just click replace it with the blank values. Okay. rg got removed. Once again, we'll just click on this. We'll click on replace values. rg done, no? So
yes.
we'll do for lg done. lg remove. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's do for sm now. Sm replace it with the okay. Sm got replaced. So if you clearly observe in a query settings, right? So here you will be understanding replace value 1, replace value 2. So if you see here in this, it's a what it is.
Where we replace the
LG removed here.
LG. Yes.
Here this is an SM. So SM replace value also you can write it, rename it.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can just rename it and you can just give it replaced SM.
Yes.
With so for a meaningful name, okay. So that's why nothing apart from this. Okay. So this is
how we can do that.
So now just see here. SM is done. This is LG maybe, right?
Yes.
This is an LG, right? LG replaced LG with blank values. So just try to rename it. Why I'm doing once again? To have a proper convention to show it to
you. Yeah.
Okay. Replaced.
Yeah. No, understanding the steps we taken in this apply steps section.
Okay. So
these
are the thing. Now replaced value what? Replaced RG, right? We did first for RG. So just click on rename. Replaced RG with blank values. So these are the standard convention that you will be gonna following. That so anyone sees your particular thing, right? So they will gonna understand what you are doing here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is particular thing like replaced it. We replaced it now. Correct?
Yes, Akash.
Then what we need to do first after that?
After that, we need to know the size of the product details. Length of the product details. For that, we go to the add column.
No. What we need to do here is we need to check the length. Correct?
Yeah. Yes.
We need to check the length. Go to add column, go to extract, go to length. Okay. So if you see here, it is showing us what 9. if you clearly observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
for that we need to trim the white spaces. What are the steps that we
Yes.
need to take for this? So this is reordered insert text length is there, no? We just remove it. Why?
Yeah.
Because it impacts a lot. So due to that it will create an error for us. So we'll remove
Yeah.
this particular column, delete it. We'll just reorder columns also. We'll delete it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So we'll just get back here to
Yeah.
product detail.
Yes, Akash.
Okay. Then we need to go to transform tab.
Yes.
After transform tab, we need to go to format, right? Format,
Yes.
trim.
Yes.
So now it is trimmed.
Yes.
So if you wanted to have a meaningful name, trimmed blank spaces with the trim
Yes.
text option.
Yeah. Blank.
Values in what? Product detail.
Product details. Yes.
Understood, right? Why I am doing this? So in order
Yes,
to
yes.
understand, that's it. Not
Yes.
so we have to repeat the things and we have to check for an what? Whether
Length.
Yes, perfectly. So go to add column, go to an extract, select
Mm.
length.
Yes.
Now it is perfectly alright. Yes.
Yeah. Now it's showing the correct length of the product details.
Okay. So this is the thing. Now this is done. Okay. Now next thing what we need to do, we need to calculate the total bill.
Yes.
Yes. So see, if we just
Yes.
observe here,
Mhm.
one is a unit price, another one is a what? Quantity, transaction quantity.
Yeah.
So we'll select
Yes.
this. Okay. We'll create a add column.
Mhm.
Go to add column. Go to custom column. So what we are doing here, we are just creating a custom column which we have to give the column name here. Okay.
Yes.
It is total underscore
Price. Bill. Yeah.
total bill. So here we have to give a particular column. Okay, transaction quantity. Insert it.
Unit price.
Multiplied by
Yeah. Unit price.
another transaction quantity multiplied by what? Unit price. So we have to
Price.
insert that.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
So this is a thing. So now we'll just click on OK. So the total bill will come out altogether here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
So next what we need to do?
Yes, Akash.
What we need to do? We need to remove unwanted data from another column, that is transaction.
Next, after getting this, yes.
Transaction time, right?
Yeah.
Column. So what we need to do? We need to go to extract once again.
Mm-hmm.
Go to extract. Are you able to see text after delimiter?
Yes, Akash, I can see that.
Okay. Select this. Give the delimiter here.
Yes.
What you will be giving the delimiter?
Space.
Yes. So how you will have to give the space? Just hit
by clicking space.
Space bar.
Yes.
So just click on
Yes.
OK. Click on OK.
Okay.
Maybe we are overwriting the particular data, right? So this is
Yeah.
what the thing is happening for you as well. So when you
Yes.
write on the same Excel sheet,
Yeah.
so these things will happen. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
read, write. So each and every time you go, you just extract the file which have given.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay, so this is what this mistake will happen. So
Yeah.
we'll not rectify once again this particular thing. This video was all about to showing you, like if we are using the
Yes.
same file, what will happen. Correct. So
Yes.
for this, how we will be gonna do that? Once again, should we do this? Just let's try this.
Yes.
We are just going here. We need to go to transform. Okay, what you are doing is you are going to here and you are extracting.
Extract.
Transform we have to do. Go to extract here, text after delimiter.
Okay.
With the space, we have given the space. Right or not? No. Click on OK. Okay. Did you understood what I did? You are going to the add column and going extraction. This is a mistake you are doing.
Yes.
Go to transaction time, then time. Okay.
Yeah.
Understood? If you
Now data is perfect.
perfect. If you are going to the add column and doing the extraction, this will not happen.
Yeah. Yeah.
This will not happen. See, if you just see here, text after delimiter, it came here.
Yeah.
Understood? It created another column.
Yeah.
If you want, you can just, if you don't want also, you can just check it out.
It's a different function. Coming to add column and transform is different functions do.
Yes, it is creating another column, right?
Yes. Clearly we can see that.
If you don't want, you can remove it, but still, text after delimiter is not required.
Yeah.
Inserted text after delimiter. Okay, so this is done now. Transaction time you have good to go now. So we'll come to the part, how do sales vary by the day, week and hour of the day and transaction day.
Yeah.
How we'll be going to do that? Click on add column. Okay.
Yes.
So what is it that here? Transaction date you have to select.
Yes.
You have to click on add column and go to the date. Are you able to see the date?
Yes, Akash.
Here you need to select the day. Okay. The name of a month, name of a day, are you able to see?
Yes, Akash.
Yes, select that. If you just see here, it has been created name of the day. Day name.
Yes.
Day name.
Yeah, day name.
Correct. One is that thing. So you have to create another column with hourly basis, right?
Yeah.
Go to add column, go to date. Another one is time.
Here
we are selecting another.
Quarter.
We are selecting wrong thing.
Yes. 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 Yes.
We have to select the R. R.
Yes.
If we select the R, we will get it here.
Now we got it.
Okay. You got it right.
Yeah. Mostly it is 7 to 8 hours.
Correct. So these are the things that you have to understand. Okay. So this was it, which we explained previous part. And understand one thing: we have to create a measures. Go on in the next particular series, next particular sessions. We will be going to discuss all about how we can do this. Okay. So what you need to do after if you have done all these particular steps, correct? So after this,
up to here,
go to home, go to clause on load. Okay, close and load to. Okay,
Okay.
load to. One window will appear. One okay. Table, existing worksheet. Add this data to data model. Okay, got it?
Data to
Data model. Just
Yeah.
click on OK.
Yes.
So it converted all the queries and connections which we have done the transform. It will load in our existing worksheet. Okay.
Okay.
So it will load in existing worksheet.
Okay.
Okay. What I found in previous lacking in our video was audio was not good, and the thing was discontinuation. Okay. It will open.
Yeah.
It will load now.
Yes. Yeah. No problem. Now it's good. So what it do, Akash? No.
It will everything. It will transform into a table format. You don't have to do the control A all the time and control T all the time. How many rows are there?
Okay.
If you observe clearly,
Yeah.
it's waiting for other data models.
Data models. Yeah.
You will be having questions like why this is required data models. Like while creating a chart, you will be understanding that.
Yes.
This is the one.
Yeah.
We done that. Okay. From tomorrow onwards. Okay. We will be not repeating these steps. Okay.
Yeah. Sure.
So what we'll be gonna do is we'll gonna save this file. Okay. Save.
Okay.
To desktop here only, right? Save as to this.
Yeah.
What I will do is I'll just try to write it as book 1. Save it.
Yeah.
Okay. So each and every time same thing to repeat. It's not.
Okay, Akash.
You just check the video and do the steps. Okay.
Sure, Akash. I'll be ready with the same data from my side.
So one thing you have to do it priorly from next sessions. What you have to do is to go to the developer tab. If it is not available, just go here, go to file. Developer tab is there. No, right? So go to option. Here there is a customized ribbon. Okay. So are you able to see this developer option checked on my particularly? Just checked it.
Yes,
check
Akash.
it.
Yeah.
In your thing it will be unchecked. You just checked it. And click on OK. Okay. So that developer option will be appear. Okay. After developer option will appear, click on this. Click on com add-ins.
Yeah.
Com add-ins.
Okay.
So we want Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. Check this.
Okay. So for this we get the Power Pivot for Excel.
Yes. Then after that click on OK. After that you will get the Power Pivot. Okay. So these are the measures. You can create a measures. You can create an APIs, KPIs. You can detect settings. Then add to the data model. We'll discuss that. Okay. In the next sessions onwards. What is this? A particular use cases we'll be going to discuss, not in detail what these options will do or whatever these things. Okay. So that's it from
Sure, Akash.
this was the recap from 2 days. Okay.
Yeah, Akash.
Okay. That's it. Do you want to say anything apart from this? Do you wanted to say anything?
For this, we go through the next few another steps for tomorrow, Akash. No?
You are able
to. Yeah, like doing the recommending analysis we do for tomorrow.
Yeah. So recommended analysis we will do. We have completed the data cleaning stuff.
Yeah. Now up to this, there are no questions, Akash. Like I will ready. Yes, yeah, sure. I will be ready with the same data what you're having now. I understand the steps. I will go through the video again and start doing the things what we done today.
Okay. So what I will do is I will have I need to edit this part as well. So I will take time for this. Okay. Like 9 maybe
no
maybe
problem.
1 hour for me. Okay. Just take your own time, like 1 hour usually for me it will take.
Up to here I got it, understand, but yes, sure.
Try to documenting it. Okay. I will
Yeah.
record it. I will just make sure that I will upload it to my channel so you can go through it.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. That's it from my side.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks for joining.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Krish.